Hello and good day to all. So for this video presentation, I'm going to present about the article called Natural Language Processing of Clinical Notes on Chronic Disease, the Systematic Review. And this is my reference article. So first, let's dive into the input data itself. Since the topic that I chose is regarding NLP, the textual dataset will be obtained from the relevant articles starting from 2007 until 2018. So there are 4 types of databases that can be obtained, which are Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, and also ACM Digital Library. So the keyword search used has been categorized into 3 categories. The first one is the clinical notes. The second one is about the NLP, medical language processing, text mining, and so on. And thirdly is the top 5 chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, cancer, and so on. Secondly, after the input data, the data selection is categorized into 4 types of category. First is identification, second is screening, third is eligibility, and the fourth one is the included articles. So it started from 2K articles and end up with only 106 articles being included. So during the identification process, there are in total 478 articles is being identified through the refined database searching. And after that, we remove the duplication. So in total, there are 46 duplicates article. And the second one is the screening process, where 273 articles is being excluded because it is not NLP or clinical or chronic disease related. So the third one is the eligibility. So in total, there are 159 articles being accessed by full text. Okay, so after that, 53 articles is being excluded due to the full text review where the NLP, clinical, and chronic disease is not being related at all. So in total, there are 106 articles is being included at the end. The next up is the process. So the process involved in NLP techniques to analyze and extract meaningful information from the unstructured clinical notes from the databases. And also this includes steps like text processing, feature extraction, and the application of machine learning or deep learning algorithm to identify the patterns and the clinically relevant information within the text. So as you can see here in the process, the feature extraction is the name entity recognition and also the part of speech tagging. And for the machine learning, in this article, they use SVM and random forest. And then for the information extraction, we extract 4 types of information, which are symptoms, diagnosis, treatments, and also the clinical outcome. There are 2 types of output. Firstly, it's identifying disease phenotypes. As you can see from the graph on the left, this study focused on using NLP to identify specific disease phenotypes from the clinical notes just now that we extracted, and this included recognizing various chronic diseases and their related clinical features from the unstructured text data. And secondly is for the patient identification and classification. So the NLP models are employed to classify patients based on the presence of the particular conditions such as symptoms and treatment documented in their clinical notes. So the proposed idea is to enhance the secondary use of EHR, the electronic health records, by developing advanced NLP methods specifically tailored for the chronic diseases. So the aim is to improve the extraction for clinically meaningful information from unstructured text, whether it's from clinical notes or the medical journals from the 4 databases just now that I've mentioned before, which can help in understanding patient trajectories, predicting risks, and ultimately improving the personalized treatment plans and outcome. As for the justification of the proposed idea just now, it lies in the high volume and complexity of the clinical notes, which can manually extract of information impractical and prone to errors. So the NLP provides a scalable and also efficient solution to automatically process these notes. So this can unlock the valuable insights that can support clinical decision from the medical professionals and improve the patient care for the chronic diseases. And that's the end of the presentation for this article. Thank you.